Hi, I'm Katja from Teamfit, and I'll explain how the Teamfit app works. Scan the provided QR code with the camera of your device. If you have not yet downloaded the app, you will first be redirected to your Apple or Play Store, where you can install the Teamfit app. Download the app there and open it. The Teamfit app will now appear in the color of your company. Confirm the invitation to the challenge in the pop-up window. If the pop-up window does not appear or the app is not displayed in your company's colors, scan the QR code again. You can now register with Teamfit. Depending on your device, you have the option of logging in with your Google, Apple, or Facebook login, or simply entering your email address. Then set a password and confirm it. Now enter your username. Click on Next and register for the challenge.